The Tyre Sensors Not Detected warning in your 2015 Ford Fiesta means the TPMS isn't receiving signals from one or more tire sensors. This system is crucial for safety, alerting you to underinflated tires, which can cause blowouts and reduce fuel efficiency. First, attempt a simple reset. Check your Ford owner's manual for the procedure, often involving navigating the car's menu system. If that doesn't work, consider using an OBD2 scanner to clear any error codes related to the TPMS. These scanners are readily available and user-friendly, providing a straightforward way to reset the system. If the reset fails, a TPMS relearn is necessary. This process reprograms the system to recognize the sensor IDs. Ford recommends driving at 16 miles per hour, then accelerating to 20 to 30 miles per hour for a short period to trigger the relearn. If this doesn't work, an OBD2 scanner with TPMS relearn functionality or Ford's IDS might be required for proper calibration. If issues persist, the sensors themselves may be faulty. Inspect them for physical damage or use a multimeter to check their voltage, which should output around 3 volts when functioning. A depleted sensor battery is a common culprit and may require sensor replacement. Sensors typically last 5 to 10 years. After replacing any sensors, repeat the relearn procedure. Remember, proper inflation is vital for safety. These steps should resolve most common TPMS issues.